All right, let's look at these DURATECH adjustable pliers. Handy little carrying pouch. There they are. 1 and 2. So they are adjustable via a button. That's nice. I like this right away. When we're at this biggest opening, which is, I don't even know how big that is. Pretty big. There's millimeters and inches on here. Anyway, you can read in the description how big this is. That looks like 2 inches to me. Anyway, when you're gripping down, you're not smashing your fingers. That's pretty nice there. That's a very reasonable grip. Same thing on these ones. Yeah, if you accidentally slip and get your fingers in here, you're not crushing them. That's nice. All right, so nice first thing. And actually, these small ones don't open up that much smaller than the big ones. 1.5 inches versus 2 inches. Is that what we're seeing there? But some really good leverage on these guys. Nice grips. When I'm really bearing down, it doesn't feel like I'm going to bend these things. Huh. These are really nice. Nice soft edge here. They really greased them up at the factory. That's good. Yeah, soft edge so we're not marring up whatever we're working on. Because I use these for plumbing. For tightening up fittings on toilets and whatnot. But yeah, a lot of grip here. And a lot of leverage. That's a nice kit overall. Yeah, nice little increments here. So we're not adjusting a whole lot between detents. That's nice. We just put it on whatever we're trying to grip, push the button and close her down, and then we're about perfect. That's nice. We can go one more click down if we want. Really tight on this sucker. Yeah, that's good. How about these little guys? There we go. Really easy to adjust. Getting into those tight nooks and crannies. Pretty good grip here. Pretty deep jaws for what they are as well. And nice big flat space. Yeah, overall, these seem like a great kit for your bang around toolbox.